Hi everyone, today's topic is on how to create a high-paying business online. If you are new to my channel, my name is Unwana Udoh. Every week, I share strategies on how to improve your personal finance and grow your wealth. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. Let's begin. You might be wondering, what does creating a high-paying business online got to do with personal finance and wealth creation? Well, one of the criteria for wealth creation is having a high income. Without a high income, it will be very difficult to create wealth. Having a high income does not guarantee that you will be wealthy. However, having a high income and the right knowledge is the surest way to creating wealth. One of the best online business models to start is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing enables you to work for yourself and put your skills to great use. Success in any business doesn't happen overnight. It still takes time, effort, and commitment to get your affiliate marketing business up and running. If you are persistent, determined, and are willing to give it your best, affiliate marketing can be the perfect online business for you. To become a successful affiliate marketer, you should network with other successful affiliates. They have been through what you are going through and have the knowledge and expertise to help you succeed as well. The first step for you is to pick a niche. Don't try to sell everything, but concentrate on one thing. Work out the best way to sell it and get going. Once you have some strategies worked out, you can always scale your business. Once you have chosen a niche and product, you need to know how to promote it. Search engines and the internet is usually the best way to promote. A great way to promote is through pay-per-click. However, you must know what you are doing if you choose to use pay-per-click. Many affiliates have chosen this option only to find out that their profits have been eaten up. You should take the time to know your product and who your target audience is. When you understand both, you build credibility. Then people will begin to trust you and what you have to offer. They will feel much better giving you their business. This will lead to higher sales for you and a much vibrant business. Don't be scared to diversify your portfolio of products. Sign up with more than one merchant and beware of any merchant that wants you to sign up with them exclusively. By using different merchants, you get more exposure and diversifying your risk. You are also protecting yourself if one merchant goes bankrupt or doesn't pay. Stay current with trends in the market and be prepared to change if the need arises. The internet marketing world is constantly changing. By staying flexible and having a willingness to change, you can make these changes work for you rather than against you. Keep in mind, what worked last month may not work this month. It is true that many affiliate marketers fail. The reason isn't due to bad products or ideas, but because people give up too soon. It takes time to build any business. You must keep at it. Try doing something every day to promote your business. If you stay consistent, you will start to see results. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money and work for yourself. You can put your skills and creative knowledge to work for you. Affiliate marketing does take work. You have to build it like any other business. Affiliate marketing is a great online business opportunity. With hard work, perseverance, and determination, you could one day be a super affiliate. If you found value so far, hit the like button, and all I ask is that you share my videos and help grow this channel. The next video on the screen contains information you will love. Click to watch that video now and I will see you there.